Today I have a very good video for you. You are going to walk through with me and I will show you the stocks you should be watching right now. These stocks gave us stock market moves last week, like this week that just ended. And we got into these three stocks and it was pure massive hit. Hi everyone, this is Julia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I talk about how to make money, how to increase your wealth, how to save money, and how to multiply your money through investments. Yes, we invest in the stock market through the community we have called the Money Circle community. And I can't wait to tell you the three stocks that did wonders for us this week that just ended. And you should also keep your eyes on this stock for next week because they will be making some moves. All right. So if you're ready, I'm ready. I don't want to make this video long. I just want to get straight to the point and give you these three stocks. If you're ready, let's go. Right, this is the very first stock I'm going to talk about. The name of the stock is Clean Spark. Clean Spark is actually a Bitcoin stock, and recently, as the Bitcoin has been moving all the way to $60,000 and beyond, all these Bitcoin stocks have been ripping off, like making massive moves, and we have been catching them, like we've been leveraging on the opportunities and making some money. That is actually what I teach people in the community. I show you how to give your money some purpose. Every money you have should be an employee. Your money should be working for you. Let me repeat it. Your money should be working for you. So if you want to understand it better, do yourself a favor, click on the second link in the description or do shoot us a mail. The email is also in the description and we will respond to you with all the details. You can join in the March, April batch, and in the next 2 weeks, you should be looking at getting some dollars in the stock market. So let's get into the first stock, Clean Spark. Okay, so something happened on Friday the 23rd. I gave out this information to my team members when this stock started dropping from 17 to 15.88. We bought this stock at $16. Now, this was Friday, yeah? Now, look at what happened. On Monday, we woke up and this particular stock, take a look, took off around 17. Okay? And the beautiful thing is that this stock ran to 20.95 in that same day. But there is something I teach my community members. Do not be greedy. So we have a buy plan and we have a sell plan. So we have a buy at 16. We have a plan to sell at 20. So when it got to 20, since I knew it was still going up, I gave them a figure to sell at 20.50. That means we made a profit of how much? So we made a profit of $4.50 per share. So imagine this was a 28% gain. Just imagine which bank will give you this money. Like you left your money on Friday, you came on Monday, and the bank said this is 28% profit. We're giving you interest. So this is one thing I love about this particular stock. So we sold it. And the funny thing is that on the next day, Tuesday, this stock went as far as $23 and 45 cents. Can you imagine that? But already we were no longer chasing it. So we do not chase stock. We have our price. It comes to the price we buy. So this is the thing I want you to learn. The beautiful thing is that this particular stock reported earnings. I just want to show you something. They reported earnings on Thursday. And look at what happened. This same stock dropped back to 15 again. 15.81. You know what happened? We still grabbed this stock at $16. So this is what I call the rinse and repeat. So we are going back and forth on the same stock, capitalizing on the opportunity. Why should you be in the community? Because I let you know when you should buy and when you should sell. By the time you're catching this video on the YouTube, you must have taken those moves, like you are just watching to catch up. But nevertheless, this is how the week ended, and this stock actually has been hovering around 15 and 16. But the beautiful thing is that before market closed on Friday, which was 2 days ago, this stock ran to 18, actually touched 18. So it's possible by Monday, this stock may be hitting another 19 or 20 and we'll be selling it again. So imagine in a space of 2 weeks, you have made 28% and you've made another 28%. So that means in a week, in a space of 2 weeks, you've already gotten 56%. That is crazy. This is really, really crazy. Now, you can still capitalize if the market opens on Monday. This is what I want you to look out for. When the market opens, look out to see if this stock will drop back to 17 area. You can still buy it and ride it to 19. You can still make some profit. About 12% is what you're going to get, which is not entirely bad. 12 to 15%, which is still okay. So I've given you a freebie and I'm hoping you're going to take this advantage. All right, let's talk about the second stock quickly. This is Mara. Mara is another Bitcoin. It's actually one of the biggest, Bitcoin stocks that we have, and they have been mining stocks, Bitcoin stocks. Okay. The good thing about Mara is that Mara was around $23 on that same Friday. So when I gave out the other one on CleanSpark, I also gave out this one on 23, and this is what happened. Okay, I want to show you what happened the next day. From 23, this same stock ran to 25. Not just that, the following day, it didn't do much, but the day after, which was on Wednesday, the stock was around $29. This was a massive home run. We had $6.50 profit on this. This was really, really massive. And everybody who had like about 10 shares were able to cash in $60. Now, if you check $60, $65 is about 96 to 100,000 that you just made off your money. This is why I love teaching about stocks. So I'm not going to draw so much on this because it is exactly what happened that with CleanSpark that actually happened with this. I only want to show you something, that there is another opportunity. Of course, they reported earnings and this is what happened. Can you see this? It moved from $30 down to 25. So you have another $5 move waiting for you. The question is, this is where the market ended on Friday. The market was around $27, meaning that if market opens on Monday, you can look out for a pullback into maybe 27, 26. You can grab it and ride it to 28, 29, and that is a good deal. Now, this is the last one, Bitfarm. Just like the other ones, Bitfarm, we bought it at 2.8. We actually got it at 2.8. Yeah, we got it at 2.8 and we sold it at 3.6. Now, if you look at this, we just made not even up to $1, 0.7 cents. But let me show you something. Do you know that with just $100, assuming you have $100, you would have been able to get 34 shares of this particular stock at $2.90. And the good thing is that that singular 0.7 move would have given you, if you multiply by 34, it will give you $24 in profit. Can you imagine? Your $100 is getting you $24 and you can actually repeat it. Imagine that you are doing this twice in a month. That means you're getting about $48, which is almost 50% of what your money that you're playing with. The most important thing is getting into a good community, getting the right information, giving your money some purpose, and learning other strategies. The other strategies I teach people, so that when you make this money, you do not lose it again. When you make the money, you push it into something else, which are dividend stocks that you can also buy, and these ones will be paying you every single month. And there are other things that we do. So what I'm saying is this: please, 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 please learn how to do this, learn how to chart, learn how to be consistent, and let's have some real conversation, because this week that we're entering, some of these stocks are going to have a repeat. Like I said, massive home run. We get in, we'll play the game, we buy, we have our trading plan, we have our buy zone, we have our sell zone, and we do this, and it comes out beautifully well. This is why you should be in the community. And like I said, the link is in the description. And by the way, if you have not subscribed to the channel up to this moment, I think you should really subscribe. There are very good content. Every week I come in and I tell you stocks that are going to make certain moves that you should be looking out for. Watch out for my next video, because I'll be showing you some stocks you can actually grab in on time, and you can do this in the comfort of your home. See you in the next video.